On March 27, 1964, the most powerful earthquake in North America struck Alaska, registering a magnitude of 9.2. This catastrophic event lasted for an unprecedented 4.5 to 5 minutes, leading to massive tsunamis and widespread destruction. Coastal towns like Valdez and Anchorage suffered severe damage, with entire neighborhoods flattened. The quake resulted in 131 lives lost and created a lasting impact on the region's landscape. In its aftermath, researchers gained valuable insights into plate tectonics and seismic activity, revolutionizing earthquake studies. The disaster prompted improved building codes and emergency preparedness, ensuring better resilience against future quakes.